Raechel John, and I'm a physiotherapist with Physio2U. I have a special interest in women's health and particularly pregnancy and the postpartum period. During pregnancy and the postpartum period, a woman's body goes through one of the greatest transformations that a body can go through. Some of the common problems that women might experience postpartum are things like leaking of urine, heaviness or pressure into their pelvic area, pelvic pain, low back pain, or even if they're having difficulty returning to some of their pre-pregnancy activities. I'd say probably around the 6-week mark, those problems should be starting to resolve, and if you feel like they're persisting, then that's a time when you might need some postpartum physiotherapy. So an initial assessment for postpartum physio would include a head-to-toe assessment, making sure that we're looking at the whole body and what sort of things need to be addressed. We don't just focus on the pelvic floor, but that is part of the assessment. And then we would decide, based on your assessment, what your needs are. Things like postural exercises that can include doing release work on yourself, stretches, strengthening exercises. We would look at whether or not you're somebody that needs to be doing Kegels or pelvic floor muscle strengthening exercises. We would look at functional exercises, so things that you're having difficulty with and how we can make them easier for you. And we would also look at any sort of hands-on therapy that you might need. So the great thing about Physio2U is because we provide in-home treatment, you don't have to worry about finding someone to look after your little one, or if you even have older children that you would need to find care for, they can be home too. It can be a little bit distracting, but I have my own children, so I'm used to it, so it's not a problem for me. And it can be really nice to be in your home and dealing with the postpartum related issues that you're having in real time. So for example, if you're having a hard time with the baby carrier you're using, or carrying the car seat, or getting baby in and out of the crib, if your back is sore doing that, or things like that, we can look at it exactly the way you're doing it and make adjustments to that right in the moment. So it's not as difficult to kind of get a sense of what specifically you're talking about. Postpartum physiotherapy with Physio2U can help you regain the strength and function of your body that you really want to have in order to be able to take care of yourself and take care of your baby. And we can do that in the comfort of your own home. And I really think that it's beneficial to have it all happening in real time in your home. And I hope I've been able to shed a little bit of light on what pregnancy and postpartum physiotherapy is and how it can help you.